ready to transform your still images into captivating videos with the power of Leonardo AI. First, head over to Leonardo and sign in on the left-hand side. You'll find the Image to Video option. Click on it to access the video generation tools. Now, upload the image you want to animate for this example. I'm using a landscape photo. Make sure it's a high-quality image for the best results. This next slider is important. Adjust the motion strength. Slider, a lower value creates subtle movement, while a higher value adds more dramatic animation. Start with a moderate setting and experiment. Let's add a prompt to guide the animation. A good prompt can significantly enhance the output. I'm writing, gentle breeze through trees, clouds moving slowly, to suggest natural movement. Now hit Generate. Leonardo AI will now process your image and prompt to create a short video clip. This usually takes a few moments. And here's the result. See how the image has come to life with subtle yet engaging movement. You can now download the video to use on social media or any other project. Play around with different images, prompts, and motion strengths. You can even add camera movement simulations for a more dynamic feel. That's it. Start experimenting and create your own amazing videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Leonardo AI tutorials.